Most folks are obsessed about the cloud, about processing speed, about terabytes, about AI, and the next big app. Me? I don't trust the cloud. I trust the ground. The Oklahoma Wind has been uninstalling some hardwood hardware. Today, I'm going to convert this hardwood hardware into terra firma bits. This is the only software my spring crops need to stay online. We're going to go into the original World Wide Web and take a look at an 8-inch thick firewall, deep mix mulch, the only security you need to put dinner on the table. To run this garden, you don't need a 5G signal. You need some fallen oak hardwood and a way to process it. The only agreement I have with my nanobots is I give them bits and they give me beats. It's a fair trade. Talk about bits. I'm looking at bytes, little bitty bytes. Trillions of nanobots doing their work in the soil. This soil has been running the same program since the Aztecs. They called it Terra Preta. I call it Growth 1.0. You can spend your life scrolling through a screen, or you can take a stroll in a garden. One gives you eye strain and the other one gives you dinner. Silicone is for computers. Carbon is for life. I'll take a handful of black gold over a motherboard any day of the week. I didn't want to cover up my plantain, and I didn't want to cover up this amaranth, and this is well over a foot thick. 8 inches is what we're shooting for. And like I said, this is the only software my garden needs. You know, and I am talking about the original World Wide Web. Now the reason we're doing this, and we're learning that mycorrhizal fungi underneath this mulch, it's got an entire web. It's touching every plant that's out here. It talks to them right there at that root zone. It talks about whether there's predators in the garden, what other pests. If it's dry, it shares nutrients. It shares information. The entire information network underneath this mulch is absolutely amazing. And that's why I'm making my own terra firma bits. Who needs microchips when I've got micro life? It all happens right underneath the soil. I wrote a little manual on this. If you're interested to know exactly what's going on under the soil, you might want to check that out. Enough talking about that. Let's get that chipper going and make some more chips. Come on, let's chip. People are worried about processing speed. My processing speed depends on how many worms I have, how much life I have in the soil, how much rain we get, and how fast they can eat it. Forget about flicking on the touch screen. The finger test is the only data transfer piece of information you need to know. You just stick that in the soil. Yep, I'm ready to plant corn. Some people call it legacy thinking. I call it the original biotechnology. While the world is obsessed with microchips and terabytes, I'm here in northeast Oklahoma using a chipper to make small bits. Terra firma bits. They say information is power. I say the deep mix mulch is more powerful. You can't eat a PDF, but you can eat what's grown in the deep mix mulch. They've got Silicon Valley. I've got mulch. My chips are made from solar-powered oak, not sand. We ran that beta test years ago and the verdict came back. The deep mix mulch, it protects your garden from that Oklahoma wind and that Oklahoma weather. You heard it here first. Terra firma bits work for me, and I know they'll work for you. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Happy Easter, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.